In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install PayPal app on your phone using PayPal website on PC. This process uses your computer to trigger a remote install of the PayPal app onto your Android phone through the Google Play website. All you need is a web browser on your PC, a stable internet connection, and to be signed into the same Google account on both the Google Play website and your Android device. Start by opening your preferred browser on the PC and heading to Google. In the search bar, type PayPal. Look for the official result that uses the paypal.com address and click it. This helps you avoid unofficial links and ensures you're landing on the trusted PayPal website. Once you're on the PayPal site, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps. Depending on your region, you may see it in the main menu or near the footer. Click Apps to open PayPal's mobile apps page, where they provide direct links to the official app stores. On the Apps page, select Get It on Google Play. This opens the Google Play listing for the PayPal app in your browser. If you're prompted to sign in, use the Google account that's already on your phone. Using the same account is what allows the web install to reach your device. From the Google Play page, choose Install on More Devices. This brings up a list of Android devices tied to your account. Pick the phone you want to install to, then click Install. Keep your phone powered on and connected to the internet so the download can start right away. After you confirm, Google Play will send the app to your phone in the background. You should see a notification on the device when the download begins, followed by installation. If your device doesn't appear in the list, double-check that you're signed into the same Google account on that phone. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. Make sure your device has enough storage, your Play Store is up to date, and your region supports the app. If the install doesn't start after a few minutes, try opening the Play Store on your phone to refresh pending downloads and confirm the installation. That's it. You use the PayPal website on your PC to safely jump to the Google Play listing and remotely install the PayPal app on your Android phone. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to replay any section while you complete the process on your own device.